tools for refurbishment, office equipment, etc. Equipment including ICT. Equipment is an important resource because a business will need to operate, and it is the use of computers they will need to operate. LSE needs equipment including ICT and computers. As students need to do coursework and research for their work, and also teachers need whiteboards and interactive whiteboards to teach the students. Security. Building must be secure and looked after even when workers and students
You're barely working on your presentation. You said Tuesday do a meeting. And now it's all finished.
I saw my mum's life, I didn't work on it. Innit? I thought you had to do like 7 and things, but then I did it. Alright. LSE security guards have to make sure they ask students for ID cards before letting any student in the college, because anything bad can happen if anyone was allowed to go in the college, even people who don't attend LSE. What are technological resources? Technological resources are things more than equipment, and they mainly are softwares, music and text. These are owned and have to be managed in the same way as physical resources. Software license. Software license is a legal requirement for all businesses, and it's illegal to use the software within a business which has not been paid for. LSE have to pay for the software such as Microsoft and Adobe, because they are different businesses and they have to pay them to use them and license them. If LSE want to use them and have not paid for them, then it will be illegal. Intellectual property. Intellectual property also allows businesses to protect their ideas, and also different type of communication can be covered within copyright. Was that painting law? Painting law instead. LSE intellectual property which are protected are things such as drawing, text and designs. Thank you for listening.
Miss, you got something there. That was boom! Clap! Oh, alright.
Javid.